Hey guys, welcome back to your Spoonful. My name is Evald. As you can see, this week we'll be talking eggs, and more specifically, because it's Easter time, we're gonna show how to dye them. All natural. Let's get to it. I remember back in the days, my grandma showed me how to do it with just onion peels, and you get a pretty nice and decent orange color. So I decided to experiment and see which other colors I can go for. After some research on the web, thanks World Wide Web, I came up with 3 more colors. So yellow, pink, and blue. So what we're gonna need is onion, or more specifically onion skins. Then we're gonna need some red cabbage. We're also gonna get some beetroot going, and finally some turmeric. We're gonna need also an acid. So we're gonna use a white vinegar because it has to be an acid-fast dye. Because those little guys, the eggs, are colored better if there's acid inside the dye. So what you have to do now is just to boil the dye ingredients. So shred your cabbage, put it in the water, get it to boil, and boil it for a bit and then get it down to the simmer. Same thing goes for onion peels, just get the onion skins, roughly a cup-ish, put it in the water, and take the same step as the cabbage. Beetroot, same thing, shred it or grate it, put it in the water. Turmeric, you just need to have 2 tablespoons of that. So the longer you boil them, the darker the color is gonna be. So let's see how it is. So the colors are getting nice and decent now. At the point that you are done with boiling, take them off the stove, put them in containers you would like to use to color your eggs, and then add the vinegar. And now it's time to get the eggs going. So what I just did, I just heat up a bit the water in the kettle, then added the eggs to the pot, and now I'm gonna wait till the water comes to the boil, then turn it off, cover with the lid, and leave them there for roughly 8 to 10ish minutes. I need things in my arm! So while the eggs are cooking, these things are cooling down because you don't want to put warm dyes in the fridge because it's gonna heat up the rest of your fridge, which you don't want, of course. So drop your eggs, put them in the fridge overnight, and after a little magic of the videos, we're gonna see the film tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. And here are the eggs. And you can see some of them went better than expected, and others not as much. For example, let's just have a look at the beetroot one. Not that pinkish, to be honest, or brownish, but yeah, I mean, still a color, it's not bad. Then the onion skins went, focus, come on, okay, didn't go that well, but still pretty colory. But look at the blue cabbage and the turmeric. Focus. Those went pretty damn well, I would say. And so what I would recommend is maybe for beetroot to buy fresh beetroot, not cooked one, because the color I think is going to be much more brighter in that case, and much more vibrant and pink. And maybe wash your eggs after you boil them, maybe in cold water. And besides that, yeah, I hope that you enjoyed these videos, guys. I hope that you get to color some eggs for your Easter, for your brunch, or have fun with your family, with your children, with your friends as well. Thanks for watching this video again, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please click on the subscribe button, like it, leave a comment if you know any other color ingredients you can use there. And yeah, enjoy your Easter. Have a good one, guys. Bye!